Yo, young Jew, money and girls, my pray. Every time I touch on, girl, the same call me. She a tell me, I'm she want par with pineapple TV. Clean from my head to my feet, professional Louis V. So we do it big, so we style them unique.
Good morning, my neighbors. Coming to America, good morning, my neighbors. Wagwan Sven. Wagwan, hello.
What you doing, like a podcast?
Ja, ich will das dokumentieren, alles was wir.
So you always have to be happy?
No. You don't have to be happy always.
No, but
You just,
I'm always happy.
it's real. Well, if you're sad, you're sad. If you want to cry, you
I'm
cry.
always happy, because when I was sad.
Sven, I don't think I'm back.
Doctor, I tried to walk that.
Sven don't have the time today to be too much happy.
It's important for me that it's when this is like my newborn baby. I'm very proud.
It looks brutal.
Also, Alice, what's name is that?
So what is that you want to do here? You want to remove everything, right? Little man, busy.
We already started to take down the shelves. So this is like a, what is a badevanne? A bathtub.
It's a long fridge
It's a
for
long
cheese
fridge for cheese. So,
and fruits.
and fruits and all of that. So we are going to take it out. So Sven already took down the shelves for us to have space and all of that. Yeah, so we're going to start the work now.
So I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just the cameraman. So you don't expect me to do anything. Pineapple have to carry everything.
Everybody, people, no money, no work. If you cannot pay the people don't do anything. So, I cannot pay Elvis to... Ich filme jetzt und du machst diese. Was soll das? Komm, Mary. Go take out the scene of them Macvas. You have more strength than me. Yeah, let me schleppen. Sven say, do you always have to be happy?
You know, Sven is not really awake. He need coffee. You need coffee to get awake. And you are coming with So everything goes down. Everything have to go down. Then we can start to construct what Pineapple wants. Because this woman, if she wants something, if she don't get it, then there is a problem. So we have to give her whatever she wants.
Is the deepest.
Cat Stevens.
Jaja. Don't thief the laugh there. From you hear the voice, and you see the face, you don't know some govern everywhere and anywhere I go. Me a God in this. I want to hear about.
That good?
But do I make my one so short? I'm making a gun down there, so.
Then you have to go.
When you make it look like like a pussy. God know. Not say I look like a pussy, man.
Well, you tried though. You tried.
Which one you rather? Good girl or bada?
Good girl.
Pineapple ladder. I'm here on the border.
But yeah.
Everything get murder. If me not say them word, yeah.
Good girl.
Which one you rather? Good girl or bada? Me win war like Nanny, my great granny. Intellectual, strong like Sammy. The man them say me have the sexiest body. Sweet like honey, hot like sunny. Beauty of a goddess, the finest. Man them see me and I jump like bunny. Dependent, don't have my money. Big up cartel, Addy and me daddy. Mood set pussy wet.
Hallelujah.
Mood, boy come force up your stiff dick. Mood, rub up your cocky, palm me click tip. Mood, change your gear. Stick shift.
So, guys, you know this? This in
It's like a motor.
is money. This in Africa is money. But we're going to throw it away. In Africa, this is money. This is a big time money.
It
You
can
can use
be
this. Some
no
people in Africa use it to build a vehicle. A
Yeah.
running car. I'm telling you. Because they are so innovative. There's one guy in Ghana, he built his own car with parts like this. He built a vehicle.
You know, sometimes you have something in your head. You have an idea in your head. And it looks so easy in the dream or on paper. But practically, it's really a lot of work. And if you really believe in your dream, I really am advising you, even though there are going to be situations where you think that it's not going to work, don't give up, because there's always a solution. There's always a solution. I've not been sleeping since about 5 months now, because normally we wanted to start this in February. Sven was having difficulties to come back from Portugal, and everything took time. Yes, guys. So now I have this, what I'm going to use.
What you're going to use or what Sven is going to use?
It's his tool sets.
What Sven is going to use, you mean? When you say what you're going to use, it's as if you are the engineer here.
Komm, ich gebe dir was von meinem ab.
No.
Was denn?
Yeah. Yes, guys, don't give up on your dream. And always have people in your team that can make your dream possible. You understand? Everything counts. A person that is going to draw your energy, a person that doesn't have the vision, cut them off. Cut them off. I'm so happy when this thing come out. I told you that even though we can't have space to come at the front and talk to my customers. Oh, you want a jerk chicken and a jerk pork?
You say, first of all, Wagwan.
Wagwan in a Berlin City. How are you?
Wagwan in a Berlin City. That's what me like it. That's what me like it, right?
Yes.
That's how me like it.
So-
You're not going for your mask? You want to cut without mask?
What?
You're going to cut this thing without mask?
We will see what happened first, and then we see what we need.
Which one you rather? Good girl or bada?
Good girl.
Pineapple ladder. I'm here on the border.
But yeah.
Everything get murder. If me not say them word, yeah.
Good girl.
Which one you rather? Good girl or bada? Bada.
So guys, my name is Elvis. I have something to tell you. In life, you have to think about how to elevate yourself. All right? Whatever it takes, think about how to elevate yourself. You never give up. Always try to do what you have to do to survive. Don't look at somebody else. Don't try to imitate somebody else. Just do you. If you have money, you have money. If you don't have, you don't have. Don't live a fake life. This pandemic have taught us a very big lessons. This pandemic have taught us that nothing is steady in life, because most of the rich people you see, they are not happy during this COVID period. Most of people lost their job, most people lost their money, most people lost their relationship. A lot of things is happening. That means life is not steady. Life is not steady, so you just have to do what you have to do. But you remember one thing, that whatever you have to do, make sure that you satisfy yourself. Do something that makes you happy. Do the job that makes you happy. So I want to show you guys one thing. We got some inspiration during this lockdown. We see that what is going on is something about healthcare and food. Food never ceases to exist. People will always like to eat. Even though you cook at home, sometimes you want to eat from outside, because the food you eat at home, sometimes you are not even feeling like to cook. Or when you cook, sometimes it doesn't even taste like always. You understand? Sometimes you feel like you want to eat outside. Just like healthcare, no matter what you do, you need hospitals, you need medicine, you need to live. So we come to this idea to open a food truck. And because we are poor people, we don't have money to buy a brand new truck, a brand new trailer that's supposed to be more than 35,000 euros. What we did is to go and buy a used food truck. A used food truck. That is it here. We bought a used food truck and we are trying to convert it now to make it new, to make it fine. There was a very big fridge inside before, and now the fridge has been removed. It has been removed completely. So we are going to try to renovate this place, to fix it. At the end of the day, in the next 15 days, we will have a food truck that is up and running. So why are we doing this? We are doing this so that we have to survive. We have to survive. We have to innovate. In the next 2 days. I was thinking about 15 days, but the engineer said in the next 2 days. I trust him. The engineer said in the next 2 days it's going to be open. So when we have this open and running, then people will come. Since that Germany said the restaurants have to close, so we have to improvise. We have to improvise since the restaurants are closed. This is takeaway food. You buy, you take it away, you go home. So we have to survive. So why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this for you to understand that in life, you have to survive. We are living in a jungle. This life is a jungle. This earth is a jungle. You understand what I'm saying? You have to survive. Find a way to survive. Whatever it takes, survive. Just do whatever it is that is legal. Don't put yourself in trouble. Don't go to prison. Because when you're in prison, you can't even have sex. You can't even eat. So you better be alive and stay healthy and try to live and have your freedom. Do whatever you want to do, and don't let anybody tell you that you are not doing it well. Whatever that your heart pleases, you get it done, and make sure that you make some money. Make sure you make some money. All right? People will tell you that money is the root of all evil. It's a lie. You need money to survive. Without money, you are nothing. Without money, your girlfriend might leave you. Without money, you are nothing. Just try to survive and try to make your money legally. All right? So this is a food truck. I will show you guys when the food truck is fixed, because all these places will be renovated. All this place you see will be fixed, and then we can start to make business. All right? So guys, I'm out.
Look at the way it's very
22 years old bicycle. Wow. Crass.
Yeah, 40 years old?
Which one? This one?
The bike.
This is 42.
This is 40 years old.
42 years.
What?
It's older than you.
It's older. It's much older than me.
1979.
Wow.
And this is 1948.
48? 48 years?
This is 1948.
1948. Den Leute, warte mal, Mann, 48. War 84.
84.
84, genau.
1984.
84. Wow. Das ist von DDR.
Wow.
It's over 30 years.
Yeah.
Wow. But stuff like this is so expensive these days. It's expensive. Oh, this is from what they call it, Dutch. Before German.
Democratic Republic.
Exactly. This is the D-Mark, the time of D-Mark.
And I think it's a holiday in the time. Bist du damit gerade gefahren?
Ja.
Kennt man das wie ein Auto?
Was?
Wie fährt man das?
Okay, Bescheid. Hier.
Wo schaltet man?
It's manual, it's not automatic.
Ja, anmachen. Und dann hier. Und gucken.
Wie schaltet man das?
We need to think I can drive it. You can snitch too. Okay, ja, der kann sitzen. Aber fahren kannst du nicht. Dem Dad? You can use it to go to Jamaica. Nice. Dankeschön. Thank you.